What's up, YouTube? Sticky side down here. So I got up this morning to go about my day, and I happened to open my blinds on my apartment because I needed some light, because I was gonna try to do a video of putting a Lego set together, and this is what I saw. This empty space right here. When I opened my blinds, my motorcycle is not there. It has been reported stolen. I've called the cops, obviously, and the insurance company, and I am praying and hoping they find the rotten, no good people. What I just right now, I have no words right now because I'm so upset that took my bike, and I can get it back, hopefully in the same shape that they so graciously removed me of having. So yeah, I just don't have anything to say. I'm that upset. But yeah, that's what happens when people are people and they decide that they want something that someone else has put all their money, time, and effort into, and take what doesn't belong to them.